Welcome to ClearTask. If you are learning a new language on Duolingo, you know how important gems are for buying streak freezes, timer boosts, and extra hearts. Today, I will show you the most effective ways to get more gems. First, complete your daily quests. Every day, Duolingo gives you 3 specific challenges, such as earning a certain amount of XP or completing a listening exercise. Finishing each quest unlocks a bronze, silver, or gold chest containing free gems. Second, maintain your daily streak. As your streak grows, you receive bonus gems at specific milestones. If you feel confident, go to the Duolingo shop and take the 50 gem wager. If you maintain your streak for a full 7 days, you will double your wager and earn 100 gems. Third, hit your daily XP goal. Finishing your first lesson of the day and reaching your personalized target will automatically reward you with a chest of gems. Fourth, team up with friends. Participate in weekly friends quests. If you and your partner complete the goal before the timer runs out, you both receive a large chest that often includes up to 100 gems. You can also invite new friends to the app, which rewards both of you with bonus gems once they start learning. Finally, take advantage of the leaderboards and achievements. Placing in the top 3 of your weekly league grants a gem reward. Additionally, check your profile tab to claim your completed achievements, as every finished tier gives you an instant payout. Stack up your gems using these methods and keep your lessons going strong. If you found this guide helpful, subscribe to ClearTask for more direct and professional tutorials.